Good morning, students. So today we will be doing a new chapter. Chapter in the grammar book. Uh, Yesterday we have completed the chapter 8, which was noun, gender. So on the basis of gender, we have done nouns. And now today, this is chapter number 9, which is nouns, possession. Possession means to possess something, to own something. When we say Rita's pen, so Rita ka pen. When we say Ram's book, Ram ki book, so it is that he is possessing. वो उसकी है. So when we say this, so when we use this possession thing, then we use apostrophe. Apostrophe is a inverted comma which is used in the upward way. I'll show you. We'll just start the chapter and I'll explain you how nouns in the way it works through possession, and how apostrophe comes and how do we show, in order to show someone possessing something, we say we use a apostrophe. So let's start the chapter. Students, you know that we use an apostrophe. So here is the apostrophe. It is a inverted comma which is used in the upward portion. Generally commas, the normal commas, we use it in the downwards way. And in when I'll show you the word, like in this word grannies, so we have written this inverted comma is to show possession, and it is an apostrophe. So they are telling us that we know that, and we use apostrophe to show possession or ownership. When we own something, when it is ours, then an apostrophe is used. They're like granny's pen, or when we say Sita's book. When we say about anything, and when we use apostrophe, so that means uska, Sita ka, Gita ka. So that means possession. So we'll just read the following sentences and it will be more clear to you. Look at Sneha's dress. स्नेहा की ड्रेस को देखो. It is her granny's gift to her. वो उसकी ग्रैनी की गिफ्ट है. ग्रैनी ने जो गिफ्ट दिया था उसको. Both of them went to a children's showroom and went to kids section. हाँ, वो चिल्ड्रंस शोरूम में, वो बच्चों के शोरूम में गए. सो के, so when ka, ki, ke, whenever this meaning is coming, so it means it is a possession and we are using apostrophe. So वो बच्चों के शोरूम में गए and they went to kids section. बच्चों के सेक्शन में गए. किड्स, छोटे बच्चों के सेक्शन में गए. स्नेहा's granny chose this dress for her. स्नेहा की ग्रैनी ने उसके लिए ड्रेस चूज़ की. सो Sneha has to attend her cousin's wedding. So cousin की wedding, cousin की शादी attend करनी है. So फिर again that they are saying कि cousin की. She will go to her uncle's house next week. वो uncle के घर जाएगी. So का, के, की. So this is all to show possession, to show ownership. So here apostrophe is used everywhere. So now you can understand it better. So all the underlined words show possession. So in this paragraph, when we read this, so all the underlined words, they were showing possession. Possession means ownership. So that apostrophe and s shows that something belongs to someone. When apostrophe and s is added, so it means that it belongs to someone. Example, Ram's bat, which I told you earlier, Ravi's school, Sita's toys, etc. So these are some examples. When a plural end in s, we add an apostrophe after it to show possession. Now there is a difference. When there is a singular, when we say Sita's pen, when we say something, it is okay. When we say baby's diaper, or we are saying when there is already not BABY baby but BABIES, when there is already a plural form babies, so plural is already ending with s, so we are not using apostrophe in between. We will write the whole word and use the apostrophe after the word. So here it will be shown as an example like parents support. So here this is not a case of a single parent, it is about parents. So बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स है, और जब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स है, प्लूरल फॉर्म है, सो वी आर यूजिंग द apostrophe at the end. So whenever we are talking about plural form of anything, then we will use apostrophe at the end of the word, not in between. But when we are using the singular form, then we will use in between and add s. Okay. So here like students diaries, so students already they are a plural, so it is not a one student. If we are talking about one student, then it will be student, and we will write an apostrophe and then add s, then we will come to know that he was a we are talking about a single student. But it is students diary, the apostrophe is at the end, it means that we are talking about many students. So these are all plural forms, like boys hostel, so we are talking about many boys, and boys hostel, etc. So these are, so there is a difference. So there are two ways in which apostrophe is used. First, when it is used before s, when we write apostrophe, it is for a singular form, and after writing the apostrophe we will add s. But when we are using it with plural form, then we will write the whole word which is ending with s generally, and we will write the apostrophe later. So ये हो गया. And then यहाँ पर they have explained this with non-living objects. We are generally, we don't use s to show possession, we use of. Instead we use of. हम लोग नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ we doesn't use, like the name of the city, the leg of the chair. So we will not say that chair's leg, we will not say, because it is a non-living thing. We will not say that city's name, we will not say, because it is a non-living thing. So we will say name of the city. So we are using the word of instead of writing apostrophe and using. So the basic rule about, there are four main rules, that with singular we will use apostrophe in between and add s later. दूसरा है कि we will in plural form में जब होता है बहुवचन में, तब हम apostrophe उस पूरे word के last में लगाते हैं. And third है कि non living thing के साथ हम apostrophe use करने के बजाय we will use of, the word of we use. Okay, fine. So now they have given us a tip also for showing possession. यहाँ पर यही points का इन्होंने summary दिया हुआ है. Singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in s will take s. So they will do like this. Singular noun के साथ they will use apostrophe and then they will use s. And plural nouns ending in s will take only apostrophe. जो plural noun है जो end s से ही होते हैं, उसके last में apostrophe लगेगा. Non living object generally don't use s. Non living objects के साथ हम s use करते ही नहीं apostrophe, and we use instead f. Okay, so here we will just go to the next page where exercises have been given and we have to do it ourselves. So I have just given, I will just explain you, and you can write it yourself also, and I have written the answers also so that you can write it properly after you read the explanation. After you can see it, you can try it yourself also. First we'll just learn about it. The school where Irfan studies. So Irfan's school, they have given the example. So जब हमें ये मेंशन करना है कि वो स्कूल जहाँ इरफान पढ़ता था, तो हमें सीधे इतना लिखने की बजाय हमें द स्कूल वेयर इरफान स्कूल, और उसके बाद अ गेम मैन, हमें पोजेशन बतानी है, तो हम सिर्फ वो 2 वर्ड में या 1-2 वर्ड में हमें बताना है. अ गेम मेंट फॉर अ चाइल्ड, सो चाइल्ड्स गेम. ठीक है, चाइल्ड्स गेम, क्योंकि अ चाइल्ड बोला है, सो चाइल्ड्स गेम. द स्पीच दैट प्रिंसिपल गेव, प्रिंसिपल्स speech. So they are singular, so we are writing apostrophe and then we are adding s. So principal speech. The house where Rohan lives, so Rohan's house. So again we are using apostrophe in between and then we are adding. So like this we have to do. I have given you the example. I'll just show you. In between I'll take some other examples. In between, like the shoes of ladies. Now here ladies is a plural form. It is not lady lady, which is a singular one. It is ladies. So here for ladies we will write the apostrophe at the end. So like this you have to do. So you have to try yourself. Otherwise also I'll be giving the answers also, because you have read the chapter. Now I'll explain you one more example. Complete the sentence using the words in the bracket s or apostrophe s or s at the or off also. So wherever you want to write apostrophe in between or the at the end, or you want to use off, whatever is feasible, you have to do it yourself. आपको वो देख के करना है. So यहाँ पर देखना है what is the name of this book. So name of this book. So the name of this book, we have to use the words given in the brackets. So dash are bushy. So what we will write, squirrels and tails are given. So squirrel's tail are bushy. So squirrel की tail जो है वो bushy होती है. So squirrel. So we will be using apostrophe in between. Costume of the, यहाँ इन्होंने साइड में दे रखा है कॉस्ट्यूम ऑब्लिक द एक्ट्रेस. अब कॉस्ट्यूम क्या है, कॉस्ट्यूम इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो वी विल नॉट राइट एक्ट्रेसेस कॉस्ट्यूम is ready. The costume of the actress is ready. So we are using of. The farmers here the farmer's hut was rebuilt. So we are choosing the words from here and then we will be writing we will be writing the farmers, क्योंकि farmer का hut है. So we will be using apostrophe and we will add s. तो ऐसे ही हमें देखना है, जैसे यहाँ पर लास्ट में दे हैव गिवन द वॉल्स एंड द hut. So the walls of the hut, because they are non-living things, so we will not be using huts, walls, walls, huts, this kind of things we won't be using. The walls of the hut. So we are using of. So like this you have to do. I have shown you the work also, but I want you to read the chapter and try it yourself. Otherwise also I have been explaining the things properly and giving you the screenshots of the work also, but in English it is better than after you read something you should try it also, so that once you try it, when your creative thinking is used, then you can check the answer with the answers given by the teacher also. Now rewrite the sentences by using apostrophe after the plural or s where required. So I'll just explain you 2-3 examples so that you can do it yourself also, and otherwise also I'm providing you the whole work also. It is the birthday of Astha. So it's Astha's birthday. So it is the birthday की जगह we can write it's Astha's birthday. He made a film for children. He made a children's film. He made a children's film. So children's, we will write apostrophe after n and then use s. The tools of the carpenter were stolen. The carpenter's tools were stolen. So carpenters. So after r we will use apostrophe. So like this you have to do the whole thing. You will be doing it like 1/10 sentence I will be explaining. The cars of my neighbor were parked in the street. So my neighbor's car were parked in the street. So we have again used an apostrophe and then we have added s. So these are the correct ways where by which we have to use apostrophe. And now again they have told us to change the things into plural. They have already given some like phrases, the boys hostel. So when we are changing it to plurals, then we will be using apostrophe at the end, the boys hostel. So we are writing the apostrophe at the end. So wherever you are using the apostrophe for plural things, then you will use it at the end of the word. And like children's books, so children's we always write like this only, children, because it is never children's. Children's is not a plural word. There is a child and children. So when we are using after children, then it is a, ये क्या हो गया, ये हमने ऑलरेडी उसको प्लूरल करने के बाद किया. सो चिल्ड्रन में एन के बाद ही लगेगा. सो दीज आर द बेसिक रूल्स. सो यू कैन जस्ट सी हेयर एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, if you have any doubt regarding what you have learnt about this thing, and if you are not able to know about possession and all that, tomorrow we will be discussing all the doubts of chapter noun gender, and we will be discussing all the doubts of chapter 8 noun possession also. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.